Well, hello everyone. It's Johnny back again. Here for another meditation. And today we're going to connect with the angels. And we're going to see what messages they have for us at this time. So just close your eyes and relax. And just go within yourself, letting go of anything else you were thinking about or holding on to. Shifting the energies within you. Imagine that happening, visualize that happening. Heavier energies leaving your body, going up into the skies, back to heaven, back to love and light. And imagine new love and light-filled energy coming in from underneath the earth, from the sun above you, from everywhere around you, new love and new light energy coming in. Recognize this constant cycle, releasing the heavy and making room for the light. We're going to call upon our highest spirit guides to join us now, our angels, archangels, guardian angels, to step forward now and bring us the messages we need at this time and for this new year. And they bring us messages of healing. They say there is a lot of healing to go on, that needs to go on in this world at this time. And that it starts with us, one person at a time. We are all connected, we are all one, we have the world within us. Everything we do affects the whole. The changes we make affects everyone else. So the more we open up to all that we are, the more we hold the light and share the light and be the light that we are, the more it helps everyone. We can be the difference we wish to seek in this world. We change ourselves, we change the world. We help ourselves, we help the world. We improve and brighten our life. We improve and brighten the world. And really accept that truth now. Letting it come in. And we're going to call upon the angels now to bring us these messages they need for us to know at this time. So imagine light-filled angelic beings stepping forward. Beautiful divine light all around you. And the first message they have for you is to recognize the signs, to see the signs, to welcome the signs. The angels are with us. They are always with us. They were with us since the day we were born. They're always going to be there. They're always listening, always supporting, always willing to help. And they ask us only simply to reach out to them, ask them, talk to them, trust in them. They are only there for our highest good. They love us unconditionally, without judgment, and they want you to do the same. That is their greatest message. And they want you to know that you have the answers within you. You know what's best for you. Trust yourself, trust your spirit. When we consult the cards and the angels, they're really just confirming what we already know on a soul level. They're there to guide us to our path, our destined path. They bring us signs all the time. Feathers, coins, cards, words that other people say, signs you see, literal posters or billboards, messages everywhere, songs on the radio, numbers. If you ask yourself if it's a sign, know that it's a sign. And know that they're always going to bring you what you need and what you're ready for. And if you don't see a sign, know that they just want you to know the truth, that they are still there no matter what. They're still there regardless, and that you don't need that validation or confirmation. Yes, it helps, but it's a test of strength and faith. Know that they are there no matter what. See and feel these angelic beings around you now, opening up their angel wings. And their next message for you is one about music. They ask you to sing your soul song. That song that only you can sing. They ask you to be your true self, to not worry what other people think or say. Don't worry about being judged. Don't judge yourself, and don't judge others. Just let everybody be themselves. Listen to music, uplifting music. It's important to surround yourself with the energy that you are, the energy that you need, that will support you. So spiritual, light-filled, loving music will help you get there. Whatever lifts your spirit, whatever makes you move, makes you feel good, do that. Groove with the music. Become one with the music, one with the energy. Let yourself be uplifted. Let yourself be free. Let yourself be like a child. And have fun. And the next message the angels have for us is one of healing. And they ask us to take this time to heal. Was it a tough year for everyone last year? Lots of fear, lots of heaviness, lots of changes. And this year has started much the same. Nonetheless, know that it's for our highest good, on a soul level, for the entire world. The darkness and the fear needs to be lifted. The light needs to come in, and it is. And it starts with you. You are part of the healing process, the world's healing process, and your own healing process. It starts today. It starts with you. Let yourself be healed. Ask the angels to help you. They are. Ask them to lift away the heavy energies, and they will. Just trust in them. Trust in yourself that you are capable of this, that you can help heal yourself. Ask them to remind you to show you how. And it starts with the intent. Being as light-filled and love-filled as you can be. That's truly the healing energy you need and the world needs at this time. And then that will lead to abundance. That will lead to abundance in your own personal life and in the world. Let that abundance rain down on you, on everyone. The more light you send out, the more love. The more you are blessed, the more the world is blessed. And keep listening. Keep listening to the messages all around you. Keep listening to yourself, listening to your guides and angels. Know that they are divine. And you are getting divine messages. Trust yourself. If you think it's a message, it's a sign, then know that it is. Trust it. If it comes from a place of love and you can feel that, know it to be true. Feel it in your soul. Listen. Quiet your mind and listen to the sound of love and divinity. And that will lead to spiritual growth. And that's what this is all about. What the world is going through, what we are going through, spiritual growth. We are growing. We are learning. We are learning to choose love over fear. We are learning to choose the light, shine the light amidst the darkness, to find a way, to adapt, to persevere, to grow, to move forward. Continue learning, continue growing. Remember always you are a spiritual being in a physical body, and you are eternal, so nothing, no matter what happens, your eternal soul will go on. Learn the lessons and continue to grow. And take your time gathering up all these energies and lessons and come back now. Thank you.